We're going to work on some factoring basics today, and we're going to start with our first problem. It is going to be x squared minus x minus 12, and I'm going to just set it equal to 0 so we can discuss the difference between factors and solutions. So right now we want to assume that there's a 1 in front of the x squared and a 1 in front of the x. And what I do on the side, if you are not, is we're going to take this 1 times that, and that's called a times c. So 1 times negative 12 is negative 12. Our b value comes down here. So that's a negative 1. So we have to multiply to negative 12, and we're going to add to negative 1. So example, if I do 6 times the negative 2, I've multiplied to negative 12, but when I add them, that becomes 4. So that does not work. I can do 12 times negative 1, that multiplies to negative 12, but that does not add to a negative 1. If I do 4 times the negative 3, that's negative 12, but that adds to a positive 1. So I'm close, which would tell me, let me try to switch the negative value. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, and if I add them together, it's negative 1. So I'm going to circle them. So I have x minus 4, and then x plus 3 equals 0. Now since I multiplied by 1 here, I'm going to divide by 1, and since those all still stay the same whole number, I just have x minus 4 times x plus 3 equals 0. These are called the factors of the polynomial. Now I'm going to set each factor equal to 0, so that's x equals 4. And if I have x plus 3 equals 0, x equals negative 3. This part is called the solutions or the zeros. And this is where, as we just saw in the previous video, I'm going to be crossing my x-axis. Best of luck!